Welcome to our open house. I'm Holly Moberly. I'm one of the assistant principals here at GC Burkhead. Tonight we're having our open house. We've broken it apart into 2 sessions so that we can properly social distance and that all of our students can meet their teachers, see a few of their friends, find out their bus route, find out any information in the office, and just kind of tour the school. We love to show off our building. We love for the community to come and see our building. We love for our parents to be here. We want the students to come in and to feel welcome, to see their teachers, to see some of their friends, to see all the hard work that's been done this summer inside the building, and to be familiar with it before the first day of school. We've had some teachers that have moved classrooms. We have several new teachers in our building, and so it just looks a little bit different here inside. We're gonna try to just make it as normal as we can and have all the students come 5 days a week this year, hopefully. We won't be split at this point. And we'll just kind of, we'll work with whatever we have to do. We just want to make it a great school year for all the kids. I think the kids are super excited to be in school. We didn't have open house last year, and we really missed it. I think the kids missed it. I know I did. So we're just excited to at least have it this year. So.
The Family Resource Center is here to break down barriers to learning, and so we connect resources within the school and within our community to help kids be successful. As long as we can stay in person, it's going to be very different. So I think it's just going to be a matter of everybody doing their part so that we can remain in person. If you need any assistance of any kind, if you're new to the community or new to our school, you can call me at 270-737-0896.